In today's episode, I keep working on the tail. So far, everything is tacked in with instant glue, but that's definitely not enough to support all the loads. I add some balsa wood where the tail boom is gonna meet the fuselage. I fit it in flush with the outside. The skin that I add later will bond directly to this wood. It will help to spread the loads across the boom. I mixed epoxy with cotton fiber. That's my structural glue. I spread it across all the joints. I place the T-nuts in place. They are also called blind nuts, whichever one you prefer. I used 1/4 inch in this case, maybe that's a little too heavy, but better to be safe. I stuff some glue underneath. I want nice and strong connection. Finally, I cover everything with fiberglass. This wasn't the neatest session, but I'm trying to use the offcuts that I have from the previous jobs. At last, I make the skin for the next session. I used 2 layers of fiberglass. I make sure to cover it with peel ply. Peel ply saves me from sanding. That's all for today, and more coming soon.